What's going on YouTube? It's Sean here and I am back today to give you guys another SB Dunk review. So in today's video, I'll be reviewing the Dusty Peach Corduroy SB Dunk Low. Today's video is sponsored by Reshoevn8r, and today I want to highlight specifically their advanced deodorizer spray. So not only do my shoes have to look good, but they also have to smell good. And especially with the hot summer months coming just around the corner, safe to say, my shoes don't smell like flowers and freshly baked cookies after I take them off at home. So that's where the Reshoevn8r Advanced Deodorizer comes into play, and basically all you need to do is spray it 2 or 3 times per shoe, let it dry out, and all the smells are going to be gone. So be sure to check out this product and all their other products down in the link below, and use code SEANGO upon checkout to get 10% off your entire purchase. So jumping back into the shoes, so this pair started trickling into skate shops around April 10th. They retailed for a price of $90 US or 120 Canadian dollars, and the official colorway for this shoe is Dusty Peach, Photo Blue, and Desert Ore. So I managed to pick up my pair at Adrift, which is a local Toronto skate shop. So as we take a closer look at the shoes, these are really unique because the base layer of the sneaker is constructed using corduroy. As we zoom into the toe box, you can see we have this beige colored corduroy that has a very soft feel to them when you hold them in hand. Wrapping around the edge of the toe box and running up the center area of the shoe where the eyelets are, this is covered in this dusty peach colored suede. So this suede isn't the hairy suede, it's much more of a flat feeling suede, and in terms of quality it's pretty much just average. On the mid panels of both sides of the shoe, once again we have that corduroy, and overlaid on top of this, we have this very vibrant photo blue colored leather swoosh. As we move towards the back end of the shoe, so once again we have a combination of the suede and the corduroy, and on the very back of the heel, we have this Nike word mark embroidered in red. In terms of laces, so these come standard with your oval shaped laces in white, and they also give you a secondary pair of olive colored laces if you want to give it a more of a tonal look by matching with the color of the tongue. Personally, I prefer the white laces as I feel like it gives the shoe a right amount of pop. Underneath the laces, we have your tongue, so this is a stuffed tongue that's covered in this olive colored corduroy. At the very top, we have the Nike SB tag, and this is done in a combination of this olive color with red text. So the inner liner of these shoes is lined in this olive colored textile, and there's additional padding around the back Achilles area. As I take out the insoles, so these come with a dusty peach colored insole. We have the Nike SB and Zoom Air branding on the heel in blue, and then flipping these over to the back side, here we have your Zoom Air unit found underneath the heel. So the upper of these SB Dunks sit atop this very clean white colored midsole. Flipping these over to the bottom, so here we have your gum rubber outsole, we have your circular traction pattern on the forefoot, along with this Nike SB branding found in the middle. In terms of sizing, so this pair runs relatively true to size, so I'd stick with your true size unless you have really wide feet, then you can probably get away with going up a half size. For me personally, my feet measures as a true size 10, however in older SB models, for example back in the black box or gold box era, I've always been a 10.5 in SB Dunk lows. However, I find for like newer releases, they don't fit quite as snug as the older pairs, so I was able to get away with my true size 10 rather comfortably. Cushioning wise, so SB Dunks are okay straight out of the box. I feel like the entire shoe requires some break-in time, and while you can feel the Zoom Air underneath your heel, it's nothing groundbreaking. However, I do have to say that the corduroy material is very soft, so it's not going to be a shoe with like patent leather, for example, that's going to really require you to break them in. Last but not least, in terms of quality, so I was pretty happy with the overall quality. The quality of this corduroy felt pretty good, especially in contrast to the average feeling suede. All in all though, I had no major issues with my pair, the craftsmanship was on point, so I was pretty happy. So with all that said, now let me lace up these Dusty Peach SB Dunk lows, and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. I've been buying a lot of SB Dunks in the past little while, and while this colorway isn't anything special, it's not a collab or anything like that, I feel like this continues Nike SB's strong run, releasing some very dope colorways. Honestly, I feel like this pair could have easily have been released during the golden era of SB Dunks, and for some strange reason it kind of reminds me of the Newcastle SB Dunks. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about this Dusty Peach Corduroy SB Dunk Low. If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on my Instagram account at esco8, check out my Twitter at sean.go, and visit my website at seango.ca. Before we end this video, one final shout out goes out to the sponsor for today's video, Rejuvenator, so be sure to check out that link below and use code SeanGo upon checkout for 10% off. So until next time, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.